Hello everyone, Yunilaxon here. I'm one of XM's partners in Southeast Asia, and in today's quick video, we're going to answer the question, what is the best XM account type for beginners? So you're maybe in the process of creating an XM account right now, and you're stuck to this page where you need to select an account type, and there's 5 of them here, and this really creates confusion, especially for beginners, and that's what we're going to answer in this video. Now, before we go ahead and proceed, you have to make sure that you're accessing the official website of XM, because as you can see here, there are lots of fake XM's websites that are really good at copying XM official website. As you see here, there's only one regulated. So you have to make sure that you're signing up an account to the official website of XM. And the best thing you can do is you can just simply click the link in the video description. There should be a link there that looks like this. Just click that and you will be routed to this page. And this is the official website of XM. I actually have here a detailed blog post about choosing the best XM account types for beginners. And as you see here, I got here a detailed explanation about each account types. You can also read this article. I'll just have the link of this post in the video description. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and answer the question, what is the best XM account type for beginners? You can just also click this and you'll be routed to the answer. So the answer is, it's going to be the micro account. So the explanation is, let me go ahead and pull that up. Micro account is designed for beginners. As you see here, just have a minimum deposit of just $5 and you can trade with a small size of just 0.01 lots. Additionally, XM micro account comes with the lower spreads. Spreads is the fees for brokers. And as you see here, you can trade with the smaller spreads and pay less trading costs. So that is it. The answer to the question, the best account type for beginners, is going to be the micro account. Now, if you wanted to know more details about every account types, like a standard account, what is this for, or the ultra low accounts, you just need to go to this page, and again, the link is in the video description. That's all I have for you guys today, and make sure to like this video, and good luck.